All right, folks, so if you keep up with seasonal fashion, you know what that pastels, florals, and soft color blocking is in. I didn't know that. Here to show us what's in for spring. Guess who? Natalia. Oh, what a beautiful morning.
It is. Thanks for having me again.
It's great to see you.
Good to see you. I haven't seen you in a while.
You're looking good as always.
Thank you.
Who decides what is in, when it is in, and all kind of stuff?
The A-listers, designers, what they send out on the runway from last year.
And it comes from where? Italy? Where it comes
Italy, New York, Australia, all over.
So does the Caribbean have a special look, or we just follow France and Italy?
No, we're lucky because of the Caribbean. We get to wear all these bright spring, summer colors all year round because of the heat.
But we don't decide what we should be wearing.
No, but we do have our own signature, tropical prints and breezy, easy breezy resort wear.
And I suspect that what obtains in Italy and France, we can do that too.
Definitely put a spin on it. Add elements of what's trending internationally here.
So, I know.
And you're very much on trend with this yellow tie.
Oh, thank you very much.
Big time for men.
Thank you very much. But what about the different seasons over there? Because winter, you get winter clothes. So what we do when them have winter?
Well, when we have winter, we call it holiday. So it's a lot of glitz and glam and leathers and textures. So we can do elements of it. Definitely don't need hardcore winter boots. Yeah. But we do over-the-knee boots here and textured leggings, suede, light suede, stretchable suedes.
All right. So who and what have you brought this morning, and what are you here to tell us this morning?
Well, we just want to highlight to your viewers, our shoppers, that Maxi is your one-stop shop. We have your clothing, your shoes, perfumes, makeup, and you can update your wardrobe with a simple top, shoes, even a lipstick. And we have it all under one roof. All 7 locations all over Jamaica.
Okay, vámonos.
Yeah, so coming out first, we have Bree Clark. And this is
Run
a
some
chic
music.
corporate look. She's actually Miss Yui right now, the reigning Miss Yui.
She's Miss Yui.
Yes, she is.
Yeah.
Now, her pants are houndstooth, which is a classic black and white print. And that's also trending for men, that print, not the pants.
And that was in a long time.
Always. It's a
Long
classic.
time ago, yeah.
It's a classic.
I
And
actually had a pants like that.
yes, and actually it's that cropped length that we spoke about last week.
Okay.
Her tote, that cobalt blue, I went against the grain. Instead of using red, I used a cobalt blue. Right.
Yep. Oh, there you go.
And a cropped fitted blazer.
All right.
And
Congrats,
she's
Miss
chic.
Yui.
Yes. Thank you, Bree.
All right. There you go.
Next we have Brittany coming out, your friend Brittany.
Yeah, man. Brittany worked with us
Yes.
and gave the entire stadium food to eat.
She's amazing.
Here's Brittany.
So this is another big trend, this blue and white stripe. It's a micro stripe, and they're actually referencing this as a Wall Street stripe. So you'll find that even for men, the blue and white stripe is trending. And the floral applique at the front, that's huge right now. You'll see that on jeans.
So where you wear something like this?
Oh man, you can be going on a weekend, taking a drive to the country or a brunch, a barbecue.
Wicked with.
Yeah. Her shoes also, we have those in different colors.
Okay.
And the brown tote that goes with everything. You can take that from work to on the weekend.
Easy, Brits.
Thank you, Brittany.
Are we hungry here, Brits? We are hungry.
Next we have Simone coming out.
Sima?
Simone. No, not Simone.
Oh. Easy, Simone.
So this would be cool for a Friday going to the office. You can do jeans and a floral blazer, cropped, fitted, nude, chunky heel shoes with a matching tote.
Yeah. Well, I like everything I see so far.
Oh, great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And she's doing a statement choker, and all the accessories are also available.
There you go.
Okay, thanks, Simone.
Easy, Sims.
We have Rebecca coming out next.
Come in, Bex. Make us see what I want.
Okay, so what we've done here, it's the same top like Bree had on, but it's in a blush tone, very muted pastel. And we did it with strappy sandals, the same cropped denim again. It's everywhere, and we've cuffed it, rolled it up, a little distressing. And her her rose clutch.
Yeah. They make any jeans now we don't rip up.
Never, we just showed Simone in an unripped denim,
all right,
and you're going to see another one. So we have a lot of jeans out right now from size 0 up to size 23.
Size 0?
Up to 23. We want to make sure our viewers know that we cater plus sizes as well.
But why would you have a 0 size? Who would wear a 0 size?
Actually, one of these models who came out today
And Jody.
wears 0. Yeah, once upon a time I wore 0.
Yeah?
Okay, thank you, Rebecca.
0 just don't make any sense. I didn't know you had a size named 0.
We have Pat coming out now.
Come in, Pat.
And Pat is showcasing
He's
her
the
collection
Patsy.
for plus size models.
But Pat no plus size.
No, she's not, but we got a feedback last week on your social media, so I wanted to show your viewers that we've always shown full size, plus size models, and Pat is embracing that today. And we want these pants go up to size 23, and her floral blouse with the beaded trim detail.
So the feedback that you got was what? You didn't show up?
We didn't show a plus size,
Okay,
yes.
all right.
So she's not plus, but we want to show that this is full size and we go up to plus.
I like everything, Mrs. Suffer.
Thank you.
And everybody.
And her chunky shoes, those are very in right now.
What's going on?
Thank you, Pat.
Easy, Pats. Who live?
We have Janique coming out.
Janique.
Yes, our model for the face of our maxi calendar for 2017.
This is the face of the calendar.
Yes.
Yeah.
And this will be perfect for Mother's Day brunch. Anyone going to church, or if you want to go have a dinner, it's very dainty, ladylike.
I like the shoes too.
It's an A-line dress. Of course,
What A-line mean, please?
it comes at the waist and it cinches at the
flares.
waist and flares out.
Aye,
Right.
now I know what A-line. You have
Right.
B-line?
No,
Oh.
I don't think. Of course, she has on a pewter pump, so it's a different variation to traditional black, which would have been a
pewter.
little too harsh for that.
You know your stuff in the string. That's it?
No, well, can we mention
Yeah.
the cardigan? We have those in all colors, and it's good for the office and layering instead of a blazer, and for women going to church who need to cover their arms.
I like everything. All the
Thank
ladies,
you.
could y'all come, please? Everyone.
Ladies,
Hey, Miss Huey. Miss Foodie. I love it. They look really, really nice.
thank you.
Yeah, man.
Thanks for having us. We have a giveaway running on our social media page, Maxi Stores, so they can check it out. And it's a gift certificate for a lucky viewer.
All right.
And the rules will be on there.
All right, folks, marketing consultant and stylist with Maxi Department Store, Natalia. Oh, what a beautiful morning. More on Smile, but first, news in 5. Stay with us, please.